Hi people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually really excited for this video because I'm going to be customizing this new drone thing. There's nothing else to say, so let's jump right in. So here's the main parts: the drone, the propellers, it's like a watch controller. It's kind of cool. So what I'm thinking is kind of like a Avatar 4 Elements look. So like fire, earth, water, air, and kind of like that, you know? First step is taking off the factory finish. Now that the surface is all scratched up, I'm just going to add the base coat. So I just finished, it dried. I also put together my colors for the airbrush. I mixed them and I took out my Posca markers. So the next step is preparing the airbrush. So I did the first two colors. Now I'm going to do the next two colors and see when that's done. So I just finished all 4 colors. Now I'm just going to do the logos of each element. So I just finished all 4 symbols. Now I'm just going to put on the propellers. So here's the finished result. I feel like I got the shades off a little, like it's not the right shades. It's not horrible. I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever done, but it could be better. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!